You may have encountered this situation before. Your flock was laying consistently, producing a stable number of eggs each day. But within a short period of time, egg production drops noticeably, and on some days, there are almost no eggs at all. What makes this confusing is that everything seems normal. Feed is still provided, water is available, and the housing conditions have not changed significantly. Yet the results are completely different. A common reaction is to increase the amount of feed, switch to a different type of feed, or add more vitamins. Some people assume it is due to breed, while others blame the weather. However, without understanding the real cause, these solutions often do not work and may even increase costs without improving production. In reality, hens do not stop laying eggs randomly. This is a controlled physiological response of the body. When internal or external conditions are not suitable, the hen's body will reduce or stop reproductive activity in order to maintain overall health. If the farmer does not understand this mechanism, it is easy to fall into the trap of guessing the cause and applying the wrong solution. But with a clear understanding, you can observe your flock and identify the problem with a reasonable level of accuracy. So what is actually happening inside the hen's body when it stops laying? Which factors directly affect egg formation? And how can you distinguish between these causes in real farming conditions? To answer these questions, we need to start with the biological mechanism of egg formation. How eggs are formed in hens. The process of egg formation in hens is controlled by both the endocrine and nervous systems. It is a continuous sequence of events that involves coordination between the brain, the pituitary gland, and the ovary. When environmental and physiological conditions are suitable, the brain signals the pituitary gland to release reproductive hormones. These hormones act on the ovary, stimulating the development of ovarian follicles. After ovulation, the egg enters the oviduct, where the yolk, egg white, and shell are formed in sequence. This entire process typically takes about 24 to 26 hours in a consistently laying hen. This is why a healthy hen can produce eggs almost every day. However, there is a very important principle to understand: the hen's body always prioritizes survival before reproduction. This means that if energy is insufficient, the environment is unstable, or the body is under physiological stress, the reproductive system will reduce its activity. As a result, the ovary will stop developing new follicles, and egg production will decrease or even stop completely. An important point is that these changes are not always visible to the naked eye. The hen may still eat normally and remain active, but internally, reproductive activity has already declined. Therefore, when hens stop laying, it should be understood as the result of one or multiple factors affecting the endocrine system and the overall physiological condition, rather than a single obvious cause. Factors that reduce egg production in hens. The first factor is light. Light directly affects the release of reproductive hormones. Laying hens require a sufficient number of light hours each day to maintain ovarian activity. When daylight duration decreases, especially during rainy or cold seasons, the level of reproductive hormones also declines, leading to reduced egg production. In practice, not only the duration of light matters, but also its intensity. Light that is too dim or inconsistent will not provide enough stimulation for the endocrine system. The second factor is nutrition. To produce an egg, the hen's body requires energy, protein, calcium, and trace minerals in proper balance. If the diet lacks energy, the body will prioritize basic maintenance functions. If protein is insufficient, egg formation is affected. If calcium is deficient, the body may reduce or stop egg production to protect skeletal health. It is important to note that the diet must not only be sufficient in quantity but also balanced in quality. A hen may consume a large amount of feed but still lack the essential nutrients needed for egg production. The third factor is stress. Stress can result from various conditions such as environmental changes, sudden feed changes, high stocking density, noise, or disturbance from other animals. When stress occurs, the hen's body increases the release of stress-related hormones while simultaneously suppressing reproductive activity. In addition, molting is a natural cause of reduced or stopped egg production. During this period, the body redirects nutrients toward feather regeneration, which leads to a temporary decline in reproductive activity. Other factors include extreme environmental temperatures, diseases, and parasites. These conditions increase the energy required for maintaining the body, thereby reducing the resources available for egg production. Observing the flock to identify the cause. When hens stop laying, the most important step is not to react immediately, but to identify the correct cause. If you observe carefully, the flock will give you many clear signals. First, look at the comb. A hen that is actively laying usually has a bright red, soft, and warm comb. When the comb becomes pale, slightly shrunken, or dry, it is a sign that reproductive activity is declining. This is often related to nutrition or hormonal changes influenced by light. Next, check the pelvic bones. In laying hens, the distance between the two pelvic bones is typically wide and flexible. If you feel that the space has become narrow and more rigid, it is likely that the hen has stopped laying or is in a resting phase. Feather condition is also very important. If hens are losing feathers heavily and appear rough, this may indicate molting. During this period, it is normal for egg production to stop. However, if the feathers look poor without a typical molting pattern, it may suggest nutritional deficiencies or external parasites. Pay attention to feeding behavior as well. If hens eat less and show reduced activity, it may be related to disease or stress. If they continue eating well but egg production drops, the cause is often linked to lighting or an imbalanced diet. Observing droppings can also help identify problems. Loose droppings, unusual odors, or changes in color may indicate digestive issues or parasitic infections. When the digestive system is not functioning properly, nutrient absorption decreases, leading to reduced egg production. In addition, evaluate the overall housing environment. Excessive heat, high humidity, poor ventilation, or high stocking density can all reduce egg production. In hot conditions especially, hens tend to eat less, absorb fewer nutrients, and produce fewer eggs. By combining all these signs, you can identify the main cause more accurately instead of relying on guesswork. After identifying the cause, the next step is to make precise adjustments rather than changing many things at once. If the cause is lighting, make sure the total daily light exposure reaches about 14 to 16 hours. If the hens are raised in enclosed housing or in an area with limited natural light, supplemental lighting should be added. The light needs to be strong enough and stable, without irregular switching on and off. If the cause is nutrition, the diet should be reviewed carefully. Make sure it provides enough energy, protein, and especially calcium. For laying hens, calcium is a critical factor in maintaining both eggshell quality and reproductive activity. Additional calcium sources such as crushed oyster shell or granular limestone can be included. Protein also deserves close attention. If the diet is low in protein, hens may reduce egg production even when they are eating enough in quantity. Protein can be supplemented through soybean meal, fish meal, or other suitable protein sources that are available locally. If stress is suspected, the goal should be to reduce sources of disturbance. Avoid sudden feed changes, avoid moving the flock frequently, keep the environment quiet, and maintain a reasonable stocking density. Hens need a stable environment to sustain reproductive activity. In cases of high temperature, improve ventilation, cool the house, and provide an adequate supply of clean water. Electrolytes and vitamins can also be added to support the hens under heat stress. If the hens are molting, do not try to force egg production. This is a natural stage. The right approach is to improve nutrition, especially protein and minerals, so the hens can recover more quickly. For disease and parasites, close monitoring and early treatment are essential. Regular parasite control, along with keeping the housing clean and dry, is an important measure for maintaining a healthy flock. One very important principle is not to change too many factors at the same time. Adjustments should be made step by step so you can observe how the flock responds. This helps you identify exactly which factor is having the greatest impact. Hens stopping egg production is not a random issue, it always has specific causes. When you understand the underlying mechanisms and know how to observe correctly, you can take control, make the right adjustments, and restore production. If your flock is experiencing a drop in egg output, take a moment to review the signs we have just discussed and consider which cause seems most likely in your case. In the next video, we can go deeper into each specific situation to help you apply the most accurate solutions based on your actual farming conditions.